Hey Tina, how's your studying going?
Hi, Josh. It's going well so far. I find social science quite interesting, especially when we discuss modern problems. What about you?
I agree, social science is fascinating. Speaking of modern problems, what do you think is the biggest issue our society is facing today?
That's a tough question, Josh. There are several pressing problems, but I believe income inequality is one of the major issues we're grappling with. What do you think?
I see where you're coming from, Tina. Income inequality is definitely a significant concern. I also think climate change is a pressing problem that requires immediate attention. It affects everyone and has long-term consequences. What other modern problems do you think are worth discussing?
Absolutely. Climate change is crucial too. Another problem that comes to mind is the impact of technology on our privacy and social interactions. With the rise of social media and surveillance, it's important to consider how it affects our personal lives. What's your take on that?
You raise a good point, Tina. The invasion of privacy and the effects of technology on our social interactions are definitely relevant topics. It's something we need to address as a society. By the way, what are your thoughts on the role of education in addressing these modern problems?
That's an interesting question, Josh. Education plays a vital role in raising awareness and finding solutions. It helps individuals understand complex issues and equips them with the necessary skills to contribute to positive change. However, there's also a need for systemic changes and policy interventions. What do you think?
I completely agree, Tina. Education is key to creating an informed and engaged citizenry. But you're right, systemic changes and policies are equally important. It requires a multi-pronged approach to tackle these modern problems effectively. By the way, do you have any suggestions on how we can raise awareness about these issues within our community?
That's a great question, Josh. I think organizing awareness campaigns, hosting workshops, and engaging in open dialogues could be effective ways to start conversations and encourage people to take action. It would be interesting to hear other people's perspectives on these issues. What do you think?
I think those are fantastic suggestions, Tina. Creating spaces for dialogue and fostering open discussions can definitely make a difference. It would be enlightening to hear different viewpoints and brainstorm possible solutions together. By the way, what other subjects or areas do you think intersect with these modern problems?
That's an open-ended question, Josh, and it's an important one. These modern problems are interconnected, so various subjects can come into play. Economics, politics, psychology, and even cultural studies can offer valuable insights when addressing these issues. Exploring these intersections can provide a holistic understanding. What are your thoughts on this?
I completely agree, Tina. Taking a multidisciplinary approach is crucial in understanding the complexity of modern problems. It helps us view the issues from different angles and potentially uncover new solutions. It's fascinating how interconnected everything is. Thanks for sharing your insights, Tina.
You're welcome, Josh. It's always a pleasure discussing these topics with you. These conversations help us expand our perspectives and think critically about the world around us. Let's continue exploring these subjects and finding ways to contribute positively.